Hello, today on DIY with Chris. This is a video review for the Black & Decker hammer drill. The list price for this item was $107.04. We purchased it at Lowe's for $58.76. The item description for this will be located on the template, which is found at the end of this video. Some of the individual product specifications that we were able to find on it included a length of 11 inches, width of 4 inches, height 11, and a weight of 4.4 pounds. The color for this is the Black & Decker standard. Ratings for this product include a 4.1 star rating average from 58 reviews on Amazon. And Home Depot shows a 2-star rating average from 4 reviews. Home Depot shows a 2-star rating average from 4 reviews. Our personal rating for this product over that 1 year of use is, I believe it is a great product. I would definitely purchase another one or recommend it to other people. It does have the adjustment from regular drill setting to the hammer drill setting. It does have a guide for depth in drilling, the ruler, as well as the front handle to leverage it a little bit more when you're drilling into hard surfaces. Definitely a large help for that hammer drill setting. So we love it. Some of the contents for it include the actual drill, the ruler for depth drilling, and a forward grip. Instructions only includes how to actually put that ruler in there and how to change out the bits and everything, so no other instructions other than that. To the delivery, we can't speak on a delivery system at all, as we did pick it up in store. And also be sure to stay tuned for our 1 year review on this product. We're doing a product orientation review for the Black & Decker hammer drill for the review that we just had. So some of the things that this actual included is up top here, you're going to see the actual slider switch that changes it from your hammer drill to the regular drill settings. There are also pictures on the side. It's in the same color, it's just kind of subdued, so it might be hard to see on the camera, but there are pictures on each side that indicates the hammer and the actual drill setting. And that does slide back and forth very easy. One thing to keep in mind though is if you have actual pressure placed on it and you're trying to use it, it will not switch. It is a safety feature, so you have to release that pressure, pull it back, and then you can switch it over. The other two things that I really like about this is we do have the forward grip and the actual measure for the drill distance. So we, in order to adjust the actual ruler, we just twist left here until it's loose enough, and then we can slide our measure forward and backward as needed. So I usually just keep it attached and have it in the backward position so I can drill, and then if needed we just measure how deep we want that hole, and then we adjust it as according to that. And then you just need to twist this handle right in order to secure it down. The only bad thing about that is that it doesn't have a locking position, so as you're holding it and actually trying to drill something, you can twist the handle and it can make that come loose. So that's the only thing I dislike about it. There is also a trigger lock button right here on the side, so you can punch that in and lock it into place, and that's going to help out with more long-term drilling and relieve the stress off of your hand when you're drilling. I also do have the different rotational directions on it as adjusted by that lever, and the cord looks like it's probably about 5 feet long, so we usually have to use an extension cord for that.
DIY with Chris, giving you the tools to do it yourself.
DIY with Chris, giving you the tools to do it yourself.